One of our worst trading days we've had in a while, and one of the worst trading days in this portfolio setup. The 50K was down 1350. The worst historically is 1558, and the 6 micro setup down 8150. The worst is around 9,000. So very choppy day. You see the market yesterday. The news was bearish. I thought we should have seen more selling. We didn't get a whole lot of selling. The market sold off, but it was prices overlapped for 3 and 4 hours at a time, so there was not a real trendy sell-off. The market kept mean reverting, and oftentimes when you see that prop-up price action like we saw yesterday, most of the day, you end up seeing the selling at night, and so we did see that. And so the selling, I believe, that was supposed to happen yesterday did not happen until the night, and we saw it at night. And in the first 30 minutes or so, the first 30 minutes of trading, and then it was just prop-up price action. We had FOMC minutes, and we kept reversing. As soon as we reversed our position, the market would head the other way. So just a really tough trading day, really wild price action. One of the things I've noticed, though, is after best days, sometimes we see worse days, and after worse days, we see best days. And so chop leads to trend, and trend leads to chop. And so this is a massive choppy day. Here's the ES as well. You see the NYC tick. The advanced decline line was down. Today, I believe the market should have gone down. The FOMC minutes announced 85 billion per month, or about $1 trillion per year, in a reduction of the balance sheet, and the balance sheet is still at all-time highs, and so that does give the dip buyers the ability to cause these prop-up days, unnatural patterns in the market you see. So I think we're in some of our last days where we'll see this type of prop-up price action from the dip buyers and being able to get away with propping the market up all day long and no real distribution. We haven't not seen, even in a strong bull market, you see distribution days and sell-off days, but hardly any in this cycle. They usually get propped up intraday, and so really unusual price action. Let's look at the trades on the day so you can see how choppy this price action actually is. So we were short going into FOMC, and the market rallied before FOMC, took our shorts out, and then just had violent chop the rest of the day after FOMC. You can see cover 3 was stopped out, adaptive moving average, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all losers. So really unusual to see this much chop. Gap continuation reverse did have a small winner on the short side. Tick fader had a small winner on the long side. Night trader lost on the day. Here's the NASDAQ strategies. EVP, or 60-minute breakout, was up a little bit on the day. One winner, one loser. Gap continuation chopped up. Gap continuation 2022 chopped up. Tick reversal made equity peaks yesterday. It was chopped up, and I think the market should have gone down today, but it did not. And so we'll see what happens tomorrow. We should get a strong trend higher or lower, and tick pullback down on the day. Market looked like it would rally, and then it rolled over once again. Cobra 2022 up on the day. Cobra 3 hit a new equity peak yesterday. So this one lost today, but it hit a new equity peak yesterday. So Cobra 3 2022 1 minute hit that equity peak yesterday, and tick reversal was at equity peaks yesterday after 2 losers today. So just a really tough day. One of the more difficult FOMC trading days. So I do think that this market once again it gapped down, sold off, and then no real selling after the first 30 minutes of trading. And we've seen this more and more as the Fed increases its balance sheet. The bulls are able to use that excess liquidity to prop markets up, and so going forward, starting in May, the Fed will start to reduce its balance sheet to 85 billion a month, or about $1 trillion a year, and that should create a more two-sided price action. But for now, it's been challenging, and so those are the trades on the day. Looking forward to tomorrow's trade. Anticipate a smoother trading day tomorrow. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.